lid frame is the latest innovation from Aussie UnderCover. Depending on the size of your system, 1 or 2 powerful actuators handle the open and close with ease. A new power lid frame comes with a 4-button remote to operate both the lid itself and the power roller for the pool cover. Don't worry if you already have an Aussie UnderCover. The power lid frame can be added to any existing lid, as long as power is available. The power lid frame is a game changer.